Hi everyone, welcome to Torah on Demand. I'm Rabbi Yael Ridberg. My great-grandmother died from an abortion in 1918. She didn't want to have another child, and she died because she didn't have proper medical care to support such a procedure. A Jewish woman in Romania didn't have many options a century ago, but Judaism has always been clear that terminating a pregnancy is not criminal, it's a matter of choice. A singular verse in this week's Torah portion of Mishpatim grounds Jewish views on abortion. Exodus 21, verses 22 to 23, explains that when two men are fighting and by accident injure a pregnant woman, resulting in a subsequent miscarriage, damages must be assessed. If the only harm done is the miscarriage, then the perpetrators must pay a fine. If the pregnant person, the woman, is gravely injured, the penalty shall be life for life, as in other homicides. The dominant rabbinical interpretation is that because the fetus is not yet an actualized person, the men did not commit murder. The case warrants financial damages for injury, not restitution for homicide. There's no word to describe the death of the fetus. The primary concern in the text is the well-being of the injured pregnant person. So when does a fetus achieve the status of a legal person? The Talmud asserts that the fetus is mere fluid until 40 days of gestation. The fetus is considered a physical part of the pregnant woman's body, not yet able to live on its own or have independent rights until the onset of labor and childbirth, more specifically, until the head has emerged. As such, the interests of the pregnant individual always comes before those of the fetus in Jewish law. Various sources explicitly state that when the health of the woman or the pregnant person is in danger, abortion is not only permitted, but it is required should the pregnancy endanger a person's life, be it physically or mentally. In Jewish laws of self-defense, one is permitted to defend oneself even to the extent of taking the life of one's attacker, should one's life be in danger. Called din rodef, or the law of the pursuer, the unborn fetus is seen in this case as the pursuer, threatening the life of the pregnant person whose life takes precedence. Here we are, 49 years after the landmark decision of Roe versus Wade, and reproductive freedom and abortion rights are under attack and relentless undermining in states across the country. Our Jewish values teach us that it's our right to make decisions about our bodies, our families, and our futures, including whether to have children. The First Amendment of the Constitution guarantees that no one religion should be enshrined in law or dictate public policy on any issue, including abortion. The Establishment Clause is upheld when those who want or need access to abortion can have it, and those who do not want to have an abortion don't have them. As it is written, Congress shall make no law prohibiting the free exercise of religion. Jewish law allows for medical procedures that are available and permitted to us, especially when a life is in danger. Reproductive justice seeks to advance moral and bodily autonomy, health equity, and unrestricted access to comprehensive reproductive health care for all individuals and communities. Religious behavior and responsibility must not be misrepresented nor misunderstood to ensure reproductive freedom for everyone. Shabbat Shalom. Thanks for joining me on this Repro Shabbat sponsored by National Council of Jewish Women. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.